Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and today's 3-minute tips, the art of the sundae. So let's get started. I'm a very big fan of the sundae. Why? Well, I like syrups, I like candies, I like whipped cream. Most importantly, as an ice cream consultant, I like high-ticket items. And a sundae allows us to sell a high-ticket item. And also, it takes creativity. And I love creativity in the ice cream business. How do we sell more sundaes? What do we do with sundaes? What are you doing with sundaes? Well, let me give you some tips. Number one, recipe-driven sundaes sell more than anything. A recipe-driven sundae is a sundae that you create for your customer. So instead of having everything where it's create your own, where you have a long list of your ice creams, a long list of your toppings, a long list of your wet toppings, dry toppings, create a 6 to 8 recipe-driven menu sundae. People like peanut butter, so have a peanut butter lover sundae, vanilla ice cream, peanut butter sauce, peanut butter cups, Reese's Pieces, okay? I'm a peanut butter nut. I walk into your store and I see peanut butter lover sundae. I don't have to read anymore, I just bought it, okay? The goal in your sundae menu is to have people walk in and say, I want that, okay? We do that with recipe-driven items. What else can we do to start moving sundaes? Well, get creative. Don't just have the same old toppings, okay? Look at this. Vanilla ice cream with funfetti vanilla cake hard shell topping, okay? Put a little blue cone on there, some gummy bears, okay? We have a funfetti sundae. Okay? Get creative. What's your town do? What's the local football team, the local soccer team, the local hockey team? Okay, what's their name? Can we incorporate a sundae that incorporates their name, okay? So we can incorporate waffle bowls in our sundae. You know, where you get a waffle bowl, grab your vanilla ice cream, okay, and get creative. Maybe we use a little chocolate syrup. We can add a little peanut butter sauce, some Reese's Pieces, whipped cream, maybe some chocolate sprinkles, and as always, cherry on top. The key to a good sundae is presentation. You want to be proud when you hand that sundae to your customer. Okay? Put thought into the design of your sundaes. Put thought into the creativity of your sundaes. Put thought into the color of your sundaes. Because the best marketing for a sundae is when a customer walks around your store or outside your window with it. So how they look, how they're designed, how they're developed, what they're named is very important. A recipe-driven sundae menu. You can take that normal vanilla ice cream cone, $2.50, $3 customer, into a $5.95, $6.95 customer, okay? If you have 3 or 4 recipe-driven sundaes that they're intrigued by, rather than them coming once a week, maybe they come twice a week to get that sundae. Sundaes give you the opportunity to market in specific times of the year, okay? You're gonna have fall-driven sundaes, you're gonna have spring-driven sundaes, you're gonna have summer-driven sundaes, okay? At Sentry, we can help you develop your sundae menu into a recipe-driven entity that's gonna drive sales. We do it with creativity, uniqueness, and presentation, okay? So look into your sundaes. Are you happy with them? If not, give us a holler and we can help develop your sundaes better. The art of the sundae can lead to big profitability. Looks like time's up. See you next week.